Welcome to creating a welcome center in Taleo Enterprise. Let's get started. So the welcome center is the ability to kind of have a consistent message based on different users. So it is based on a configuration profile. So if you have a different message in between recruiters and hiring managers, you can do that. So let's go through the different steps to creating this as a welcome center. So I'm going to go to configuration. And the first thing I'm going to do is I can go in and go to welcome center content pages and I can create my message. So very easy. You provided a code and name. And you can see here that you have the rich text editing box. So it works consistently, the same way with the other rich text editing box that you see in Taleo. So I'm going to enlarge it and I can put content here. If there's any type of messagings that you have from a company perspective, you could put it here. You can add images. So you can add a URL image that would kind of come up there, and I'll show you that. You can add a table. The one thing that you're not able to do is provide a link. So you can put a link here, but you would have to provide your users the instructions of copying and paste. So there's nothing wrong with putting the information here. And then just adding the information about copy paste and put into another browser as an example. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to save. And then I can activate it. So I'm going to go with my breadcrumbs, go back to configuration. I'm going to go to settings. And the easiest way is just to kind of use a keyword search and do welcome. And I refresh. You'll see that there are two different settings. So the first thing that you want to do is be sure that you can just update to yes, that I want to display the welcome center. And then the next piece, if you have your default one, you can indicate it here so that it would just kind of display it. So you can highlight one as a default. So the next piece that you want to do, so now I have my content page done, I have my setting. I'm going to go to my configuration profile. So I'm going to go to SmartOrg and I'm going to go configuration profile. And I'm going to use my recruiter here. And same thing, I'm going to use keyword and I'm going to use welcome. And you can see that there is a welcome center content. If I place this in edit mode, this is how I get to the access of selecting my different welcome centers. So by configuration profile, you can do that. So for my recruiter, I have this one, my MAS staffing only, and I'm going to go into a different configuration profile. So let's go to hiring manager. Do the same thing here. And you can see that I have a different value. So I have under construction. as my content page. So one thing to note is, if there are important messages, this is an easy way to be able to kind of update your Welcome Center as needed. So my configuration profile is the recruiter. So this is my Welcome Center. This is the content page. If I sign out and come back in as a hiring manager, so now you're seeing a different messaging from a Welcome Center. Very easy to kind of manage that, go back and forth in terms of deactivating your messages, and you can also kind of delete them from that perspective. It is all managed in your configuration, and under general configuration, you can go to your Welcome Center so you can see that you're able to deactivate and activate as necessary. And that's the information for the Welcome Center activation. Thank you.